From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
It's been a beautiful Monday across the area and mostly clear skies going into the evening, but then clouds increase after midnight, and after midnight, maybe a few light spotty sprinkles or light showers across the area carrying into the first half of Tuesday. We drop out of the 70s and 60s into the 50s late this evening, and then down into the mid to upper 40s for morning lows around daybreak. Here again, maybe a spotty shower, no widespread heavy rain or severe storms. And then that clears out by the afternoon. Here's FUTURECAST showing us dropping out of the 70s into the 60s and 50s this evening, 40s overnight. Notice the clouds moving back in from the west-southwest and a few light spotty showers here and there. Chance of rain is only 20%. No big deal out of this, but a few sprinkles or showers are possible. Staying in the 40s to 50s until midday when we get some spots of sunshine here and there as the front moves through with northerly winds, and then low to mid 60s as we head through the afternoon for daytime highs. Back into the 50s during the evening, and then eventually 40s and then upper 30s possible as we into the overnight. So mid to upper 30s by early Wednesday morning. So maybe some patchy light frost out there, but all the temperatures generally staying above freezing. Still northerly winds Wednesday on the eastern side of high pressure, so still on the chilly side, lower 60s here, but we start warming on Thursday, and especially on Friday, we'll be back in the mid 70s. And then a storm system approaches by Friday night, bringing us showers and thunderstorms, and it is looking like this is another system we're going to have to watch for at least some potential for severe weather across the area. For right now, I do think the greater risk of severe storms is in the orange here back to our northwest, western Tennessee, northern Arkansas, western Kentucky, back across the Mississippi and Ohio rivers into Illinois and Missouri. I think that's where the better chance of a potentially significant severe weather outbreak is Friday and the Friday night. So we'll watch it carefully up there. Locally here, we do still have a risk of severe storms as well. We're still working out the details on the exact timing and the exact magnitude or how rough it looks. The greatest threat, I think, is from Friday evening into the pre-dawn hours of Saturday morning. We'll work out the timing and everything in the next few days. This is just a general tap on the shoulder to let you know to keep checking back in for forecast updates. But this does look like a threat, even this early out from the large-scale setup. That damaging wind, hail, and at least some degree of a tornado threat all appear possible. No need to panic or anything like that, even though we saw damage in the local area back on Friday. Just have your safety plan in place. Formulate one over the next few days while the weather's quiet. If you don't have one, make sure you have multiple reliable ways of hearing warnings, including something that can wake you up out of your sleep at night, like a NOAA weather radio. Those weather radios are your own personal weather siren in your home, and they will wake you up in the middle of the night if a tornado warning is issued. Have those things in place, have your safety plan in place, and we'll get through this just fine. No need to be scared or anything. Just be prepared and be aware, and we'll get through it, and we'll watch these storms into the week for you. Chilly the next couple of days, and then we warm up into the week. We're into the mid 70s, it looks like, by Friday, and still staying on the mild side as we head into the weekend ahead. Your hometown forecast for Tuesday, low to mid 60s with maybe an isolated morning shower. Decreasing clouds by the afternoon, more of the same in northwest Alabama, mainly middle 60s here, and mostly cloudy through the day, maybe some sun by the afternoon here and there, and a morning shower also possible, especially near and north of the Tennessee River. Here's your 7-day forecast, and again, morning shower or two, only a 20% chance for Tuesday, mostly sunny Wednesday and Thursday, but a big temperature difference between the two. Northerly wind Wednesday keeps us in the lower 60s. Southerly wind on Thursday warms us into the upper 60s to near 70. And then we'll watch Friday night very carefully for some strong thunderstorm potential and lingering showers as we head into the weekend at times. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.